One day, Mars could look like this, allowing humans to comfortably live on the planet. All we need to do is to terraform it. But how? Well, we could nuke it. Would dropping nukes on Mars make it easier to live there? Believe it or not, this is something scientists have considered for decades. Elon Musk of SpaceX seems to think that nuking Mars might be one of the best and quickest options to make it a place where humans could live. The idea is that we would explode thermonuclear bombs in the sky over the planet's two poles. This would heat up the ice caps and release carbon dioxide and water from the poles. Then the greenhouse effect would take place. It would heat up the whole planet, making the surface more habitable. So this sounds super quick and easy, but why haven't we done this yet? It's because there is a high chance that nuking Mars might not work out the way we want it to. There are many things that could go wrong with this plan. The first problem is, it's all just theory, and the theory could be wrong. That's because Mars has been losing atmosphere for a long time. Earth's atmosphere is almost 100 times thicker than Mars is, and if you're going to live on Mars, it needs a thicker atmosphere. Some scientists think that we could release CO2 from the north and south poles, and this could make Mars' atmosphere more like Earth. But the 2018 study published in Nature Astronomy found that even if the nukes are successful, it would only increase Mars' atmosphere to 7% of what Earth has. Even if we create more carbon dioxide in Mars' atmosphere, it still wouldn't be nearly enough to heat the planet. And the planet could seriously use more heat. Since its current temperature averages around minus 63 degrees, and it would take decades for the red planet to warm up, even after it gained the extra CO2. So in theory, this could delay humans from ever landing on Mars. Not only that, but this assumes that dropping thermonuclear bombs on the planet would go perfectly. Keep in mind, these are nukes. You know the things can destroy the entire cities? In fact, the bombs you would use on Mars would be 1,000 times stronger than the ones used in World War II. If a bomb exploded on the planet's surface, instead of up in the atmosphere, some severe damage could occur. Not only would it completely destroy the parts of the planet's surface, it would also cause even more radiation. Another thing that would delay us from settling on Mars. It's also very likely that instead of warming Mars, a bomb could cause nuclear winter. This could happen from the dust and particles up in the atmosphere caused by nuclear explosions that would almost entirely black out the sun, causing Mars to cool down even more. So, nuking Mars probably isn't the best idea, and maybe we should get some humans on the planet and its natural state before we start trying to change it. But what if we nuke another planet, like Venus? Well, that sounds interesting, but we will talk about it in another video.